Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can report a pin for copyright on Pinterest. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest tab on your device. Now, tap on the pin which you want to report. After that, select the three dots icon. Then, tap on the report option. Now, you can find My Intellectual Property option. Tap on it. And then select if the selected pin has infringed your copyright or trademark. After that, fill all of the contact information and then tap on the submit button. And that's it. This is how you can report a pin for copyright on Pinterest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.